A clean and organized space can change how you feel. But talking about cleaning and organizing in English, that's a different challenge. In this video, you will learn 10 real phrasal verbs that people use every day when they clean, tidy up, and organize their space. Simple, useful, and very natural. Listen carefully, say it with me, and let's clean up your English too. Let's begin. 1. Tidy up. This means to make a place neat and organized, to put things in order. It is one of the most common cleaning phrases in English, used at home, work, or anywhere else. Think about guests arriving soon, and your living room is a little messy. You quickly start putting things away and say, "I need to tidy up before everyone arrives." Now say it with me. Tidy up. Now the full sentence, say it with me. I need to tidy up before everyone arrives. One more time. I need to tidy up before everyone arrives. Perfect. Now you can talk about cleaning in English. 2. Clean up. This means to remove dirt or mess from a place, usually a bigger or messier job than tidying up. People use it after cooking, after a party, or after any activity that creates a mess. Imagine you just finished cooking and the kitchen is a mess. You roll up your sleeves and say, "Time to clean up this kitchen." Now say it with me. Clean up. Now the full sentence, say it with me. Time to clean up this kitchen. One more time. Time to clean up this kitchen. Every cook knows that feeling. Well done. 3. Put away. This means to place something back in its proper storage place, where it normally belongs. People say this when they talk about returning items to their place after using them. Suppose you just finished folding laundry. That means clean clothes. Now you need to place everything in the closet. You say, "I just need to put away the laundry." Now say it with me. Put away. Now the full sentence, say it with me. I just need to put away the laundry. One more time. I just need to put away the laundry. Small task, big difference. Nicely done. 4. Throw away. This means to get rid of something, to put it in the trash because you no longer need it. People use it constantly when they talk about cleaning and organizing. Tip box. When organizing, ask yourself, do I need this? If the answer is no, you can say, I'm going to throw this away. It's one of the most freeing sentences in English and in life. Think about going through old papers and finding things you no longer need. You sort them into a pile and say, I'm going to throw away these old papers. Now say it with me. Throw away. Now the full sentence, say it with me. I'm going to throw away these old papers. One more time. I'm going to throw away these old papers. Letting go feels good in English and in real life. 5. Sort out. In this context, this means to organize items into groups, separating things that belong together from things that don't. People use it when organizing closets, drawers, or any messy space. Picture opening a drawer full of mixed items, papers, cables, old receipts. You sigh and say, this drawer is a mess. I really need to sort it out. Now say it with me. Sort out. Now the full sentence, say it with me. This drawer is a mess. I really need to sort it out. One more time. This drawer is a mess. I really need to sort it out. We all have that one drawer. Now you can talk about it. 6. Wipe down. This means to clean a surface by wiping it, usually with a cloth, to remove dust or dirt. People use it for counters, tables, and other flat surfaces. Suppose you just finished cooking and there are crumbs on the counter. You grab a cloth and say, let me wipe down the counter real quick. Now say it with me. Wipe down. Now the full sentence, say it with me. Let me wipe down the counter real quick. One more time. Let me wipe down the counter real quick. Quick, simple, and something everyone understands. 7. Pick up. In this context, this means to lift items off the floor and put them where they belong. Usually used when talking about cleaning up scattered items, like toys or clothes. Imagine walking into a room and seeing things scattered on the floor. You say to your child gently, "Can you pick up your toys before dinner?" Now say it with me. Pick up. Now the full sentence, say it with me. Can you pick up your toys before dinner? One more time. Can you pick up your toys before dinner? Said gently, that request feels easy for everyone to follow. 8. Clear out. This means to remove everything from a space, usually to get rid of things you don't need anymore, often as a bigger project than regular cleaning. People use it for closets, garages, or rooms. Think about a closet that has not been organized in a long time. You decide it is finally time. You say, "This weekend I'm going to clear out my closet." Now say it with me. Clear out. Now the full sentence, say it with me. This weekend I'm going to clear out my closet. One more time. This weekend I'm going to clear out my closet. Big projects start with one honest sentence. You just said it. 9. Straighten up. This means to quickly make a space look neater, similar to tidy up, but often used for a smaller, quicker effort. People say this when they make a fast improvement before guests arrive or before leaving a room. Suppose someone is about to arrive and you have just a few minutes. You quickly move a few things and say, "Let me just straighten up real quick." Now say it with me. Straighten up. Now the full sentence, say it with me. Let me just straighten up real quick. One more time. Let me just straighten up real quick. We've all done a quick straighten up before guests arrive. 10. Get rid of. This means to remove or eliminate something completely, often used when talking about decluttering or removing things you no longer want or need. It is one of the most useful phrases for organizing. Picture looking around your room and realizing you have too many things you don't use. You decide to make a change. You say, "I think it's time to get rid of some of this stuff." Now say it with me. Get rid of. Now the full sentence, say it with me. I think it's time to get rid of some of this stuff. One more time. I think it's time to get rid of some of this stuff. A clear space, a clear mind, and now clear English too. You finished all 10, and that is great work. You just learned 10 real phrasal verbs for cleaning and organizing, from tidying up to getting rid of things you don't need. These are words you will use again and again in your home and in your English. If this lesson helped you, tap like, share it with someone learning English, and subscribe for more real-life English practice every single day. A little cleaning, a little English practice, both make life feel a bit lighter. Speak English. Don't just study it. See you in the next lesson.